Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw Peppa Pig, and she's holding a pumpkin. All right, let's get started. Let's start with her nose. So her nose is kind of like a little oval shape, and she's got two little nostrils like that. And now let's draw her head. I'm going to start at her nose and draw a line that curves around. Oops, I need to go a little bit more, like that. And then we're going to connect the end of her nose to her face like that. And then Peppa Pig has two round eyes at the top of her head and little black circles inside of those eyes. Let's give her a big smile. It's a big U shape. And she also has little cheeks that will color pink later. Okay, and let's jump up top and draw her ears. So her ears are little curved lines that come out like that. And one on the right. Perfect. Next, let's draw her body. And in this drawing, I've got her in a little dress. So let's start under her chin right here. And we're going to draw a line out, and it kind of curves just a little bit. Her dress almost reminds me of like a little bell. And same on the right. We're going to curve down and try to get even with this line. And let's connect it. Perfect. Okay. Now we can draw her arms. And I'm going to start with the right, draw a line out, and another line out. And she has 3 fingers. Okay, and when we do her left arm, she's going to be holding up a pumpkin, so we want to draw her arms kind of up a little bit. And now since she's holding a pumpkin, we've got to make her fingers kind of like they're curled around this pumpkin stem. So that's just like little oval shapes, and let's draw 3 like that. Okay, and then we can draw our pumpkin stem. And now we can draw our pumpkin. So the quickest way I draw a pumpkin is I start with an oval that connects to the bottom of that stem. And then I kind of just draw curved lines out from that. So one on that side and one on that side. And you can leave it like that, or if you want to make your pumpkin bigger, you could add another curve. And I'm going to put a little curve line in the back just to make it look a little bit more 3D. Okay. And I think I might do one more curve on this side. And a small one on this side. All right. Next, let's draw her legs. And for her legs, we're just going to draw a long line down. Whoops. And another one that matches it. And her feet kind of curve out like that and come back around. And same for the right side. So draw a line down, another line down, and we're going to try to draw her shoe to match this shoe. All right, our last step is her tail. So let's go over here to the right side of her body, and her tail kind of does a little curl like that. And then we are just going to follow that same line around, and it comes to a point. And let's erase these little parts right here. Our Peppa Pig looks great. All right, now let's color. Our Peppa Pig looks so good. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.